So here's where most people have it wrong when it comes to manifesting. You see, they think that in order to manifest something, they need to try really, really hard. Or the opposite, that there's actually no work involved and that things will just magically appear in their laps if they think positively. Yet, manifesting isn't about forcing things to happen. It's about discovering the power of simply allowing. So when you open up and you surrender, suddenly the universe responds in your favor, and it's creating a powerful chain reaction. Now, in a few moments, I'm going to walk through this process in simple steps so that you can start manifesting anything that you desire ASAP. So welcome back to another video. My name is Natalie Ledwell, and after coaching over 10 million people through the My Movies movement, you can say that I've learned a couple of things about the law of attraction. And today I'm going to help you to uncover what manifestation really is and how it really works. Now, if this is your first time here, welcome. And make sure that you hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Now, when it comes to manifesting, there are a lot of myths and misconceptions out there. You know, people often think that you just have to think positively or that you just need to have a certain gift to make it work. But the truth is, manifesting is a very simple process that anyone can do, but there is some work involved. So here's what you first need to understand. Number one, you need to understand that everything that you're creating is as you intend it to be. So if you want to manifest something, you really have to want it. And you have to believe that it is possible. Now, this is the most important step because your intention and your belief and your expectation that this is going to come into fruition for you is what is creating your reality. Now, on the other hand, if you feel that you're unworthy, then things that are in alignment with unworthiness is what you're going to create in your life. So it is really important to work on your self-esteem and your self-love if you want to manifest anything. Okay, number two is you want to live on purpose. You know, having a very clear purpose will help you to stay focused on your goals and will help you to manifest what you want much faster. So commit to attract what is for your highest good. Now, you may not know what that is, but when it shows up, you're going to recognize it. And you want to go for what's for your highest good, not what your ego thinks that it needs. Okay, number three is you have to start from your happy place. You know, if you're expecting to feel happy and joyful and you're going to do that when you achieve what it is that you want, you're missing the point and you're missing out on life. You know, it's very common, but it's also completely backward. Like, you know, when we tell ourselves something like, you know, I'll feel good once I've got the money, or I'll feel rich once I've got the money. I'll be happy once I'm in that relationship. We are putting the outcome before the feeling. We have to feel the feeling first. We have to be in that resonance. Remember, our emotions and our thoughts are the resonance or the frequency that we send out into the universe. So we have to think and feel it first. You know, we think that by living in fear that we're going to attract joy. But the truth is that by living in happiness, we become a magnet for more happiness. Okay, number four is that you want to let go of the outcome. You know, manifesting isn't about getting. Manifesting is about allowing. So as soon as you let go of that control, you become a magnet for what it is that you truly desire. This is why it's really important to stay open to the possibilities that are beyond what you think you need. You've set goals according to your life experience and what you've experienced to this point. And I think you can agree with me, there is way more things out there that we haven't even thought of that you could be attracting. I mean, you may be thinking that you need $100,000, but by letting go of attachment, what if you manifested an investment property or a job that pays you triple that amount or even more? You know, when you align with the divine and the infinite energy of the universe, There are absolutely no limits to what you can attract. Okay, number 5 is to align your energy with the universe. Everything in the universe is made up of energy, and manifesting works by aligning yourself with the energy of the universe, or source, or God, or the infinite field, whatever you'd like to call it. So how do we achieve this? Well, we do it by taking small or big action steps towards our desire, by letting go of any negative experiences and past experiences that are holding you back. This means forgiving yourself, forgiving other people, letting go of any resentment or any anger or grudges. By practicing gratitude, when your energy matches the universe's energy, you can manifest effortlessly. And gratitude helps you to get up into that same frequency. So try these steps now and see how your life quickly changes for the better. Again, my name is Natalie Ledwell, and until next time, bye for now.